Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy.
Amazing Adaptations: How Life Survives Everywhere. Today's video explores how living things survive in environments all around the planet. From frozen tundra to hot deserts, and from deep oceans to dense forests, plants and animals have developed special features and behaviors that help them survive where they do. These features are called adaptations. This video explains what adaptations are and highlights examples that show how life continues in even the most challenging places on Earth. What are adaptations? Adaptations are traits that help living things survive in their environment. These traits can be physical features, behaviors, or internal processes. Over long periods of time, organisms with helpful traits are more likely to survive and reproduce. Their traits are passed on to future generations. Adaptations develop slowly across many generations. They reflect a close connection between an organism and the environment in which it lives. Structural adaptations. Structural adaptations are physical features of an organism's body. Thick fur helps polar bears stay warm in freezing temperatures. Cactus spines reduce water loss and protect the plant from animals. Bird beaks vary in shape and size depending on the type of food they eat. Camels store fat in their humps, allowing them to survive long periods without food or water. Each structure supports survival by meeting specific environmental needs. Behavioral adaptations. Behavioral adaptations are actions that help organisms survive. Migration allows animals to move to areas with more food or warmer temperatures. Hibernation helps animals conserve energy during cold months when food is scarce. Some animals are nocturnal, becoming active at night to avoid heat or predators. These behaviors improve survival without changing the organism's physical structure. Adaptations in extreme heat. Life in hot environments requires special adaptations. Desert animals often have light-colored fur to reflect sunlight. The fennec fox has large ears that release excess body heat. Kangaroo rats conserve water by producing very concentrated urine and staying underground during the day. Desert plants store water in thick stems or roots. Some have waxy coatings that reduce evaporation. These adaptations help organisms survive high temperatures and limited water. Adaptations in extreme cold. Cold environments require insulation and energy conservation. Animals such as seals and whales have thick layers of blubber that retain heat. Arctic foxes grow dense fur and change color with the seasons to blend into snowy surroundings. Some animals reduce activity during winter, while others grow extra layers of fur or feathers. These adaptations help maintain body heat and protect against freezing conditions. Adaptations in water. Aquatic environments present different challenges. Fish have gills that extract oxygen from water. Streamlined bodies allow animals like dolphins to swim efficiently. Some fish have special coloring that helps them blend into their surroundings. Plants such as mangroves have roots that grow above water, allowing them to absorb oxygen in muddy environments. These adaptations support life in rivers, oceans, and wetlands. Adaptations for protection and survival. Many organisms have adaptations that provide protection. Camouflage allows animals to blend into their surroundings. Mimicry helps harmless species resemble more dangerous ones. Turtles have hard shells and porcupines have sharp quills that discourage predators. These features increase survival by reducing the risk of being eaten. Amazing adaptations show how closely life is connected to the environment. Each plant and animal carries traits shaped by generations of survival. Studying adaptations helps explain Earth's biodiversity and the balance found in ecosystems around the world. Thanks for learning with EZA Homeschool Academy today. Continue exploring the natural world with us in future videos.
As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.